Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to display option. After that scroll down a bit, then go to eye comfort shield. Now by tapping here you can enable eye comfort shield. And you can see it's enabled successfully. If you enable eye comfort shield option in your phone, then it will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep. Now here you can see two options, adaptive and custom, and you can choose any option as you want. If I select custom, then you can set schedule for night light. You can see three options here, always on, sunset to sunrise, and custom. I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. And at the bottom you can see color temperature option. From here you can increase or decrease your night light color temperature, and you can set any level as you want. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.